Do we use Power Up in school? Yes, we do. We've used it as a sixth form team. We've encouraged all our sixth form students to access it and access the resources. And I've used it as a geography teacher, specifically the resources that are available there. Power Up certainly does help with exam preparation, and I think there are three main areas I've found helpful. The first section is next steps. In this, it helps students' motivation and encourages them to study. The second section that's really useful is for A and AS learners. This helps them with improving their effort, having systems to learn with, and putting their knowledge and skills to practice. And useful sections here particularly are for exam series, particularly again Carolan Cymru and WJC website. We use a lot in the WJC website of the blended learning, the knowledge organiser and the exam walkthroughs. Health and well-being is the final section that really helps students develop a positive attitude. There are sections there on, again, well-being, on sleep patterns, adopting a positive attitude, and we find that students who access these resources do feel much better about themselves and are more successful students. If students are worried, my advice would be that they can only do their best. There are always different routes to getting to the same goal, so they've got to just keep at it, ask for advice, and just work as hard as they can.